नीचे
मैं प्रोड्यूस नहीं किया, ये ऋषिता भट्ट ने किया। एंड आई थिंक द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट है कि आपको अभी तक पता नहीं कि वो इतना अच्छा डायरेक्टर है। आई मीन यस, बच्चा लगता है, छोटा है, नाम नहीं है अभी तक, बट आपको पता नहीं कि उनका टैलेंट क्या है। तो मैं ये देखा है, जैसे मैं बहुत मेरे बच्चे को देखा है शुरुआत से। सो मैं यहाँ हूँ सपोर्ट के लिए, उनके सपोर्ट।
Rishita, the promos have been just aired on the television, and from now onwards, only censor board is keeping eyes on the promos, and there are some promos which has been deleted. So, what
yes, I think censor should justify this because बहुत सारी फिल्में आई हैं जहाँ पे सेंसर्स ने उसको escape किया है। बहुत सारे scenes ऐसे हैं जो मैं मानती हूँ, yes, this film has some scenes probably the censor could have an issue with, but there have been films where a lot of things have been just passed by and just overlooked. So when yes there was an issue, I did feel that there was something that had to be looked into. मैं मानती हूँ कि शायद कुछ चीजें उनको ठीक ठाक ना लगे, but I think इस फिल्म से ज्यादा हमने बोल्ड फिल्म्स देखी हैं in the form of commercial cinema.
Like first time director, you are an actor. How was the experience? What's the difference like early director and now director? Because the second director working like first like Sahil, now is Shubh.
Yes, Shubh, though this is his first film, I would really have to say this about Shubh, that he was extremely sure of what he was making. He knew what he wanted, and he was good enough to execute it in a pattern in a way that he expected it to. So, and I think the best thing that I like about Shubh as a director is that he's very comfortable to talk to. He's someone who would listen to your opinions and would reciprocate in a manner that probably is very comfortable for an actor as well. As a first-time director, I think we all have our hiccups, and I think I'm sure even he had his own hiccups. But he was always kind enough to maintain the calm on the sets and behave probably like a veteran director, I would say. He has a bright future ahead.
The movie name is Shakal Pe Mat Ja. As actor, how to describe which kind of movie?
I think the title says it all. It's a very interesting title, शक्ल पे मत जा, और बहुत ही सही कहावत है क्योंकि आप किसी को भी ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते।
इस फिल्म में ऐसी क्या यूनिक चीज है कि लोग 200 या 250 रुपए खर्च करके
एक्टर्स, द परफॉर्मेंसेस आर ब्रिलियंट, द स्क्रिप्ट एंड द स्टोरी इज, आई एम नॉट सेइंग जो हर कोई बोलता है मेरी कहानी डिफरेंट है, मेरी फिल्म डिफरेंट है, बट आई थिंक द स्टोरी इज समथिंग दैट यू रियली वांट टू वॉच आउट. इट्स एंटरटेनिंग, इट्स अ मसाला fully funny film, and I think the performances